How to add payment methods on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome. Today I am giving you a quick tutorial on how to add payment method on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify store and you will get right here. We want to check the different payment method available and we want to add one. It's really easy to do. What you need to do is simply go to your settings right here and it will open up our Shopify settings for us. Now, what we need to do is we need to simply go to payments right here. You can see the payment option and it will open up different payment methods for us. So you can see, first of all, we have payment providers. Now, payment provider means that we can actually get a third party to provide us the method that we are actually looking for. So you can just click on choose a provider and it will open up a lot of different third parties for us. For example, if I'm going with AirPay, it will provide me Visa, Master, and American Express right here. So if I'm looking for these methods, I can just go ahead and add this to my Shopify. Similarly, you can see we have a lot of different providers available that actually provide us different methods. For example, we have Stripe right here. And Stripe provides Visa, Master, American Express, and Apple Pay. Then we have this one right here. It's also providing a lot of different options. So you can just search a third-party provider and connect it to your Shopify to add a payment method. Next, we have supported payment methods. Now, these are the different methods that actually are supported by Shopify on your store and location. So you can search right here. For example, I'm looking for WeChat Pay. So you can see we have WeChat Pay right here. Similarly, maybe I'm looking for American Express. So you can see we have American Express given, Bitcoin, Union Pay, IDEO. You can see all of them right here. TOS, Samsung Card, SEB, all of the different cards and payment methods are available here. So it's really easy. You can just select, for example, I can go with a MasterCard and I could just add it right here and this payment method will be added to my Shopify. Similarly, we have another method which is the manual payment method. Click on manual payment method and it will allow me to accept COD, which is cash on delivery, money order, bank deposit, and create a custom method as well. So I can actually do direct bank deposit or a cash on delivery with Shopify as well. So Shopify has all of these different options for us for the payment to add to our store, and it helps us get and receive money very easily, and it helps us run a successful business online. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.